Today we replaced the engine air filter on the 2007 H3 Hummer. It's the same on the Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon. This is very easy to do, but it's something most of us forget, that engines need fresh air. So, first thing is to order the filter, and you'll see the link in the description. And by the way, you don't need a very expensive filter if you don't live off a dirt road or something like that. Second thing, pull the hood release handle just below the e-brake. Next, lift the safety lever hidden in the grille center slot and lift the hood open. Once the hood is opened, look to the left towards the front of the engine compartment. You'll see a box in which has a cover held by some clips. Unclip each one. Notice there's a clip on 3 sides only. And on the fender side, it's held by some inserts that slide into the top of the filter box. They can be seen as the cover is lifted from the filter box. So lift the cover from the intake side, sliding it away from the slots, put it on the side, and next take out the filter. From the intake side, pull it away from the collar and lift it up from the filter box. I have no clue when this was replaced last, but it's recommended it should be changed at least once a year or every 20,000 miles, whichever comes first. However, if you drive in dusty or sandy conditions, you should change it more frequently. Always refer to the owner's manual for the most accurate information. A slight difference in these brackets that hold it in place. Instead of having the rails on the inside, they have them on the outside. It's no big deal, it will work without a problem. Before inserting the new one in, loosen the debris with a brush and vacuum as necessary. This is the bottom bracket to insert the rear slot of the filter. And the one on top is on the inside cover here, and which we'll see them line up soon. First, insert the filter to the intake collar. Then line up and insert one of the filter slots to the bottom of the filter box bracket. Now replace the cover by inserting the side slots into the side of the box first. And make sure to line up the top filter slot to the cover bracket. Keep in mind that if the bottom slot is lined up, then the top will line up as well. If not, it will be hard to properly close the cover. Also, make sure the cover grooves are inserted into the side slots on the box. And the 3 clips line up before snapping them back on. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.